Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalou. How you guys doing? As for me, I am doing great. In this video, you guys, I am going to be refreshing my guest bathroom. And you guys, let me tell you, today's video is sponsored by Temu. So if you don't know about Temu, allow me to introduce you to Temu. Temu is a combination of Amazon and Shein on steroid. I don't know if I could say that, but yeah, you're gonna find everything. Name it, they have it at Temu. So I am super excited to show you guys some of the things they have sent me for the house. Most of the time when you receive a package from them, this is what it's gonna look like. It's gonna come up in one of these bags. So I'm gonna open them up so I can show you guys what's in there. I'm gonna show you the things that I got from Temu while I'm decorating the bathroom at the same time. Each time I show you an item, I'm gonna put the price next to it so you guys can see how much it costs. So the first thing that I got you guys are these set of towels. It has that cute design. Fabric is not bad, not in terms of the quality and what they look like, so I really like them for that. So to hang my new towels, I got hand towel holder. Really like it. I think it's very modern, it's very cute. It has, you know, the square shape that is very in style right now. It's not shiny at all. It's a matte gold, okay?
One thing that I like about Temu, it doesn't take time to receive the item. Approximately 1 week, give and take. And they have 90 days free return policy. So if you order something you don't like it, returning it won't be a problem.
I also got some bath towel. Let me set it up so you guys can see how big it is. This is what the bath towel looks like. It's not too thick. Has a nice little design at the border that makes it look a little bit cute and somewhat look expensive. I'm not seeing a lot of length. Usually sometimes towels may have length, so this one is not bad at all.
For now, soon I will change my towel bar. For now, I'm using the same old one that I have. We're doing a little mixed metal. If you are using only one bath towel, this way it's a good way to display the towel. It makes it look like you are using more than one towel.
So this is toilet paper holder that I got from Temu. It came with the little hardware thing to hook it up. Talking about hardware, I got myself some really nice shelves, of course, in gold. We're gonna put them on the wall right now. I got these acrylic containers. I thought they were super cute. Here they are like this. Love the little gold thing, really cute.
I'm gonna use them to put some necessities for my guests. Guys, I am encouraging you to download the Temu app to get $100 coupons for free. Also on the app, you can use a special code that I have just for you, my Glam Squad. It is PEAK2476 to get the $100 coupons. Link for the app and the code will be in the description box. Remember to check it out. The shelves are not thick, so I have to be careful to make sure I do not put things that are too heavy. Something like that with the salt, I wouldn't be able to put it because it would be a little bit too heavy for the shelf. I'm gonna opt in for something that is a little bit lighter, like these washcloths. Anyway, I needed to have some of them available for my guests, so it is working out perfectly. I'm gonna have a beautiful vase, something that is not breakable easily with these beautiful branches. Of course, these are available on my website.
If we're doing a bathroom refresh, we need some new shower curtains, and I got some shower curtains, nice shower curtain.
I thought the combination of colors were very nice, the gray, the yellow/gold, and the blue. It's very beautiful. I think it adds a very nice pop of color in my bathroom.
The shower curtain came with this plastic hook to hook them up, but I'm not gonna use them because Temu was kind enough to also send me these. These are so cute, you guys. Look at them. Not too flashy, but I think they are perfect for me. So I really love these. One of my favorite items that I received. Of course, the pack came with 12 of them. You guys know I always double up on my curtains. I always use my shower curtains and regular curtains to elevate the look of the bathroom. I got some regular curtains from them. The curtain is nice. It's very beautiful. Has a very nice luster finish, but unfortunately I'm not gonna be able to use them because these are 94 wide and 42 inches long. These are how wide they are. Super duper wide. As you guys can see, that's the length. So I'm not gonna be able to use them in the bathroom, but I wanted to show them to you guys. I did not think about it because the minute I saw 94, I'm assuming it was 94 long and 42 wide. It's when they come and I look at it, I'm like, oh my god, it's so wide, what's going on? And then I went back on the computer and look at it. So this one was my fault that I didn't look at it properly to make sure I did not order it. But as you can see, this is the inside of the curtain. It has a nice velvet finish. Border is really good, very large, beautiful border. The curtain came with a curtain tie back, which I thought would be really cute. I got some more art from them. Super cute, 2 of them. Love the dark blue color. I think it's really nice, and the gold. However, I was hoping that it was already framed, but they are not framed, so I had to look for a frame to put them on. So this is another Canva that I got. I think this is really cute too, very modern. Touch of glam, really cute, and I really like it. But it didn't come framed. Okay, you guys, I got 2 more items. They are not for my bathroom. Okay, so this one, you guys, very beautiful. Really like it. One of my favorite items that I received. I'm gonna put it on the floor so you guys can see. It can be used for both bathroom and kitchen. It has a rubber finish at the bottom to collect water and all the things that we do. And it's a very nice and modern wall. I got these little bottle containers, clear acrylic bottle, okay? I got them especially for the family. Why? Because my people, they always spreading glasses all over my countertop. So I thought if everybody can have their own bottle, once they're done drinking with them, they can just put it inside the fridge. They're not heavy, which is good, but they look super duper cute. So what I'm going to do, everybody going to have their name. Now that I'm done showing you the items that I got from Temu, I'm gonna go finish decorating the bathroom and show you guys what it looks like.
Guys, remember to put a comment. Let me know what you think about Temu so far. Let me know if you have purchased anything from them. Let me know which item you see today was your favorite. Once again, link for the Temu website, the app, and my code will be in the description box. I wanted to add a little bit of more Zamzam Zoom on the towel bar, so I went back with some white hand towels. And I'm gonna show you guys, sometimes the item that you're using doesn't have to be perfect. Like for example, this towel has a gray border. It doesn't matter because I'm gonna display it for look. So I folded in inside so the gray is not showing, and it looks like it is a plain white towel. So basically you just have to work with what you have, be creative, and make it work. I'm gonna take this moment to welcome all of you who are new to my channel. I upload glam home decor, cleaning, DIY, a little bit of lifestyle video. If you're interested in any of these things, please hit your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so they can let you know once I upload a new video. And a big thank you to all of you, my fellow Glam Squad, for stopping by today. On the vanity, I'm gonna start with this super duper cute, stylish, unique tray, of course, from my store. And then I'm going to have one of my latest vase. Such a beautiful vase, love it. It is so dramatic. It brings so much glam and beauty to any place, of course, including the bathroom. And inside of it will be my white eucalyptus branches. You guys love them. I love them as well. They are so beautiful, so glam, and so unique branches. A bestseller not only on Flow but throughout the entire website. I'm showing you how I'm folding one stem to make it work because I am using only 3. Now I'm gonna be honest, because this vase is a little bit larger than my other vase from the last time I showed you guys these eucalyptus branches. I had to be a little bit creative to make sure they still look full by folding one of them and put it one at the bottom, and I also kind of push it toward the front. All of these things are what makes it look full and beautiful. So depending on the vase, you can only use 2 branches, but for this one we definitely needed 3 branches, and as you can see, it is looking fabulous. To have some scent, I'm gonna be using this beautiful diffuser. Also, you can find it on my website. But look at the backs, you guys. The presentation is going to make a beautiful gift for yourself or for somebody who's getting married, for graduation or a birthday gift. Really, really beautiful. Love it. Do you see how cute it is, guys? It is so cute. The fragrance smells really, really good. Definitely a fancy smell. Also, I am going to take a little bit of the fragrance and put it inside the toilet paper on the cotton. While I'm waiting for the diffuser to take off, the bathroom will start smelling good right away. For my lotion and soap dispenser, I'm gonna be using this one. Of course, they are from my website. Love them. They are so cute, so pretty, unique, and great quality. I'm gonna be using these decorative bags to hold my wipes, keeping everything neat and classy. The bags came in a set of 2. This is the smallest one, of course, available on my website. I went back and added my other set of curtains. Guys, please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about my bathroom refresh. As for me, I love it. I thought it was very pretty. I love the touch of blue. What do you guys think about the blue? A big thank you to Temu for supporting today's video. Remember to check them out in the description box. I look forward to seeing you all on the next video. Remember, before you leave, to hit your subscribe button, turning your notification bell so they can let you know once I upload a new video. I love you all. Bye bye. Mwah!